In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Namecheap hosting with a domain and install WordPress. I'll drop my affiliate link in the description box. When you click on it, you're gonna end up on this page. Depending on the date you'll be watching this video, prices might change, and it's like that everywhere. The Stellar is $2 a month, Stellar Plus $3.22, and Stellar Business is $6.74. And don't be surprised if you see different numbers. With this plan, you have a domain, which is a free domain for the first year, but we'll talk more about that. 3 websites, 20 gigabyte SSD, 30 mailboxes, and website builder. Compared to this, you have first year free domain as well, unlimited websites, and everything is unlimited, and the list goes on. But as a beginner, I advise you start with this, but it's up to you. If you want to invest that you can have more than 3 websites, it's okay as well. You have 30 subdomains. Click on get started. On this page, as you can tell, my total amount is $24.02. If you have existing domain name, you can click on it and sign in, then proceed from there. But in this tutorial, I'll use new domain name. Scroll down and type the domain name that you want. In this case, I'll type in success link, and let's see if it's available. That domain name is taken. I'm gonna try another name. Finally, I got successlinkage.com because I want a .com domain, and trust me, it's not easy finding a domain name with .com. I'll click connect to hosting, and the price will increase because I didn't go with the .xyz and all these weird top domain names. Billing cycle gonna be every year. Click add to cart. If you want it to auto renew each year, it's gonna direct you to this page, and you have to give it a username, password, confirm password, first name, last name and mix your password with special characters and numbers. Use a good email address that you have access to all the time. Please don't use fake email address. Check. When you are done, click create account and continue. I'm gonna sign in and we'll continue. For security reasons, you might get a verification code through your email address. Just check the email, enter the code, and click on submit. Enter your payment method. We have 2 payment methods, credit card or debit credit, and the PayPal option. It's up to you. Scroll down. Don't touch anything here. Save the configuration above to my default payment settings. That's if you want that, but if not, leave it the way it is and click continue. Click on approve terms. Redirecting your order. When the purchase process is done, hover on your username and then click dashboard. When you scroll down right here, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on this domain. I'll go to manage on the same domain, then click on hosting, then click go to cPanel, click Softaculous apps installer, install WordPress. Protocol, select the HTTPS. Let me show you. On my website, when I double click, then click on this site information, you can tell it says connection is secure. Click here. See, your information, for example, password or credit card numbers, is private when it is sent to this site. Certificate is valid. This is why you need it. Make sure, even though it says certificate was not found, later it's gonna be active. Check if there's a latest version, then you go with that. As far as 6.4.3 is the latest, you're gonna keep that. Site name, you can change it to the name you have here, success linkage. In your case, your domain name might be different. In my case, it's gonna be success linkage. Then what the site is all about is what you're gonna type here. I'll leave it. It's just for tutorials. Your admin username, your admin password, and email address. Select language. In my case, I'll select English by default. Then right here you have a limit login attempt. You can leave this the way it is, but sometimes it might be a problem as well, because let's say you try 3 times and you're not getting it, they're gonna block you. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna scroll down. Right, then before you click install, add the email installation details here. I'll use the same email address I used for this Namecheap account. Click install. It's installing. It's successfully installed. I'm gonna click here to go on the website. Right click and open in a new tab. Bam, this is the website. When you double click and you go here, you can tell connection is secured. When you click certify is valid. Next, if you want to go to your admin, save this or copy this link and save it somewhere. This is the link you're going to use to access your site. WordPress is installed. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.